Do you like pizza? Do you like pizza? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្ត pizza ឬទេ Yes, it's my favorite. Yes, it's my favorite. បាទឬចាវាជាចំណូលចិត្តរបស់ខ្ញុំ Are you working today? Are you working today? តើថ្ងៃនេះអ្នកមកធ្វើការទេ Yes, I have work. Yes, I have work. បាទឬចាខ្ញុំមានការងារធ្វើ Did you eat lunch yet? Did you eat lunch yet? តើអ្នកបានញ៉ាំអាហារថ្ងៃត្រង់ហើយឬនៅ Yes, I did. Yes, I did. បាទឬចាខ្ញុំបានញ៉ាំរួចហើយ Are you coming with us? Are you coming with us? តើអ្នកនឹងទៅជាមួយយើងទេ Yes, I'll join. Yes, I'll join. បាទឬចាខ្ញុំនឹងទៅចូលរួម Do you want some juice? Do you want some juice? តើអ្នកចង់ផឹកទឹកផ្លែឈើទេ Yes, please. Yes, please. បាទឬចាសូមយកមក Are you learning a new skill? Are you learning a new skill? តើអ្នកកំពុងរៀនជំនាញថ្មីមែនទេ Yes, I'm learning cooking. Yes, I'm learning cooking. បាទឬចាខ្ញុំកំពុងរៀនធ្វើម្ហូប Did you watch TV yesterday? Did you watch TV yesterday? តើថ្ងៃម្សិលមិញអ្នកបានមើលទូរទស្សន៍ទេ Yes, I watched it also. Yes, I watched it also. បាទឬចាខ្ញុំបានមើលកម្មវិធីមួយ Are you going out tonight? Are you going out tonight? តើយប់នេះអ្នកនឹងចេញទៅក្រៅទេ No, I'm staying home. No, I'm staying home. ទេខ្ញុំនឹងស្នាក់នៅផ្ទះ Do you want some coffee? Do you want some coffee? តើអ្នកចង់ផឹកកាហ្វេទេ Yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. បាទឬចាសូមអរគុណ Are you coming to class today? Are you coming to class today? តើថ្ងៃនេះអ្នកនឹងមកថ្នាក់រៀនទេ Yes, I'll be there. Yes, I'll be there. បាទឬចាខ្ញុំនឹងទៅ Did you clean your room? Did you clean your room? តើអ្នកបានសម្អាតបន្ទប់របស់អ្នកហើយឬនៅ Yes, I clean it. Yes, I clean it. បាទឬចាខ្ញុំបានសម្អាតរួចហើយ Are you feeling sleepy? Are you feeling sleepy? តើអ្នកមានអារម្មណ៍ងងុយគេងទេ Yes, a little. Yes, a little. បាទឬចាបន្តិចបន្តួច Do you like playing football? Do you like playing football? តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តលេងបាល់ទាត់ទេ Yes, every weekend. Yes, every weekend. បាទឬចារៀងរាល់ថ្ងៃចុងសប្តាហ៍ Are you going to the market? Are you going to the market? តើអ្នកនឹងទៅផ្សារទេ Yes, I need vegetable. Yes, I need vegetable. បាទឬចាខ្ញុំចាំបាច់ត្រូវការទិញបន្លែ Did you eat dinner? Did you eat dinner? តើអ្នកបានញ៉ាំអាហារពេលល្ងាចហើយឬនៅ Yes, I ate already. Yes, I ate already. បាទឬចាខ្ញុំបានញ៉ាំរួចហើយ Are you feeling okay today? Are you feeling okay today? តើថ្ងៃនេះអ្នកមានអារម្មណ៍ល្អទេ Yes, I'm fine. Yes, I'm fine. បាទឬចាខ្ញុំមានអារម្មណ៍ល្អ Where is your mother? Where is your mother? តើម្ដាយរបស់អ្នកនៅឯណា She's cooking in the kitchen. She's cooking in the kitchen. គាត់កំពុងធ្វើម្ហូបនៅក្នុងផ្ទះបាយ Did you buy groceries? Did you buy groceries? តើអ្នកបានទិញគ្រឿងម្ហូបអ្វីមកទេ Yes, I bought some fruit. Yes, I bought some fruit. បាទឬចាស់ខ្ញុំបានទិញផ្លែឈើមួយចំនួន Are you going out now Are you going out now តើឥឡូវនេះអ្នកចេញទៅក្រៅទេ Yes I'm leaving Yes I'm leaving បាទឬចាស់ខ្ញុំកំពុងចេញទៅ Do you like watching football Do you like watching football តើអ្នកចូលចិត្តមើលបាល់ទាត់ទេ Yes very much Yes very much បាទឬចាស់ចូលចិត្តខ្លាំងណាស់